the lipid bilayer, that is the plasma membrane of cells, and it has in the center a hydrophobic non-polar part. And what happens, because there are these molecules, there are the phospholipids, the glycolipids, and the cholesterol. And they have all something with them which makes them polar at one side and non-polar the other one. They are the phospholipids. They have a phosphor head. That phosphor group head is polar. And the polar phosphor head group head of the phospholipids is hydrophilic. It is polar and hydrophilic. It loves the water. So it turns to the watery portion on the outside in the extracellular fluid, and a bunch of other ones of them are turning to the inside to the cytosol, the watery fluid part of the cell inside of the cell. And so they're just all there, and we're turning around, all with the head facing with the phosphor head, the glycolipids, the phospholipids, the watery part on both sides. And when they have just the tail to the inside, the two fatty acid tail, which are hydrophobic, they don't like the water, they turn away, like magnets turning around. And then in the center there is now this hydrophobic, their tails, the fatty acids, they don't like water, hydrophobic non-polar region. And these phospholipids, they are 75% of all these lipids there. And then the cholesterol, they are 20%. And they have an OH alcohol group at their head. And that forms hydrogen bonds with the polar phosphor heads of the phospholipids. So these cholesterol things are also going with their head, with their OH alcohol group head to the heads of the phospholipids. And they have also a tail with steroid rings and a hydrocarbon thing. And then the last 5%, these are glycolipids. They have a sugar carbohydrate attached, and that is doing the same. It's going also there to that. And that way the lipid bilayer is formed. The glycoproteins, the glycolipids, they're going only to the outside. They're only in the outside membrane, and that is why outside layer. And that is why the lipid bilayer is asymmetric, because, for example, the glycolipids are just at the outside. And that is according to Gerard-Tugan-Sandek-Wolfsky's Principles of Anatomy and Physiology book on the pages 62 and 63. But this is now substitute for medical knowledge and also now medical advice.